Welcome to VEDHA online classes. VEDHA online classes is providing the live online tuitions for intermediate CBSE, EAMCET, IIT-JEE, BITSAT. Hyperbola. Hyperbola, most important short answer questions. Find the center, eccentricity, foci, length of lattice rectum and equation of directrices of the hyperbola x square minus 4y square is equals to 4. What is the given hyperbola, ma? What is given hyperbola equation? X square minus 4y square is equals to 4. What is given hyperbola? X square minus 4y
x square minus 4y square is equal to 4.
Yes. Okay. Now, whatever the constant we have in the right side, divide by the constant, dividing by 4 on both sides. Dividing by 4 on both the sides. Okay. So that means x square by 4 minus 4y square by 4 is equals to 4 by 4. So that means x square divided by, okay, 4 I am writing as 2 square, y square divided by, here we can cancel this 4 and 4, 4 one time, 4 one time. Okay. So we can write this as 1. The 1 we can write it as 1 square is equals to 1. Okay, why we are writing as 1 square? Okay, so we have the standard form of the ellipse, hyperbola. Ellipse and hyperbola approximately same. Okay, here we have plus, that is ellipse, and minus means hyperbola. Okay, by comparing with okay, so standard form of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. By comparing with this, okay, what is a value? What is b value? We write the values here. Okay, here a value is equals to 2 and b value is equal to 1. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. After that, what he is asking? He is asking the center. Center is equals to, origin is the center. When we have the equation like this, origin is only the center. Center is equals to origin, that is 0, 0. And he is asking the eccentricity. Okay. So what is the formula for finding the eccentricity? Eccentricity is equals to E is equals to under root of a square plus b square divided by a square. A square plus b square divided by a square. What is a value? 2. What is b value? 1. Okay, substitute now. Under root of 2 square plus 1 square divided by 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So root 5 divided by root 4, or square root cancel, then we get 2. Root 5 by 2 is the eccentricity. After that, we have to find the foci. Okay, so that means we represent with S plus or minus AE comma 0. Plus or minus AE comma 0. A value is 2 comma E value is root 5 by 2. AE comma 0. Okay, so we can cancel this 2 and 2. We can cancel the 2 and 2. So that means we get it as, plus or minus root 5 comma 0. Plus or minus root 5 comma 0. Okay, means one is plus root 5 comma 0. Another one is minus root 5 comma 0. Okay, so we have 2, okay, foci. Now, after that, what he is asking? Length of lattice vector. Length of lattice vector. Length of lattice rectum is equals to 2b square by a is the formula here. 2 into b square. What is b value? 1 square divided by a. A is 2. A is 2. Okay, here you can cancel this 2 and 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So what is remaining here? The final answer is 1 square means 1. That is length of lattice vector. Okay. After that, equation of directrices. Equation of directrices. So here x is equals to plus or minus a by e is the equation of directrices formula. Okay, if we use the formula, x is equal to plus or minus a value is 2 divided by e. E value is root 5 by 2. Root 5 divided by 2. Okay, so that means plus or minus 2 into root 5 by 2. If you take it to numerator, that then it is 2 by root 5. 2 divided by root 5. So that means plus or minus 2 times is 4 divided by root 5. X is equals to. Take this root 5 to left side. So then we get it as root 5x is equals to plus or minus 4, or root 5x minus or plus 4 is equal to 0. Either you can write like this, or you can write like this, or you can write like this. Okay, so any one is the answer. You can write any of the form, any of the given forms. Find the center, eccentricity, foci, length of lattice rectum, and equations of directrices of the hyperbola 16y square minus 9x square is equals to 144. So what is given here? What is the given equation here? Given hyperbola. Given hyperbola. What is given hyperbola, ma? Given hyperbola.
16y square minus 9x square is equal to 144.
Yes. Okay. After that, okay, we divide by the same constant. Okay. So dividing by 144 on both the sides. For each and every term, we have to divide by 144. Okay. So what we get if we divide by 144? Okay, so then we get it as, tell me first, 16y square divided by 144 minus 9x square divided by 144, yes, is equals to 144 divided by 140. Yes, okay, after that, next step. Okay, 16 one time,
9,
16 9 times, very good. 9 one time, 9 16 times. 144 gets cancelled, so we get 1. We get 1. Okay, so what we get here? Y square divided by 9 we can write as 3 square minus x square divided by 16 either 16, or we can write as 4 square is equals to 1. Okay, so here when we compare the previous question equation and this equation, okay, previous question, x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay, so in this we have the equation y square by, okay, so like that, first term is y square. Okay, either you can write like this, or if you multiply by minus on both sides, then we get it as plus x square by 4 square minus y square by 3 square is equal to minus 1. We get it. Multiplying by minus on both sides, multiplying by minus on both sides, we get this form. Okay, now compare. This is a conjugate hyperbola. This is conjugate hyperbola. By comparing, what is a value? 4. What is b value? 3. A value is 4. Okay, so b value is 3. By comparing with x square divided by a square minus y square by b square is equal to minus 1. Is equal to minus 1. By comparing with this. Okay, so what we get here? What we get here? What is a value? What is b value? The values of a and b. A is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. A is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. These are the values here. Okay, after getting the a and b values, what we have to find? We have to find the, okay, so center. First one is center. Okay, so here center. Center is nothing but it is a origin only. Center is nothing but it is origin only. Okay. After that, what we have to find? We have to find out eccentricity. Next one is eccentricity. Okay. So eccentricity E is equals to under root of a square plus b square divided by b square. In the previous one, a square plus b square divided by b square, a square. Here divided by b square. That is such change here. Okay. Observe carefully. This is equals to under root of what is a value, what is b value here. Okay. What is a and b value? A is equal to 4, b is equal to 3. A is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. So that means 4 square plus 3 square divided by b square, that is 3 square. 4 square 16, 3 square is 9, divided by 3 square we have 16 plus 9 is 25, root 25 by this is root 3 square or 9. Okay, that means we can write it as 5 divided by 3. This is the eccentricity value. This is the eccentricity value. After getting the eccentricity, what he is asking? Foci. Okay, so focus. What is the formula for this? 0, plus or minus BE. Okay, it lies on the y-axis. That's why we take BE. In the previous one, we took A plus or minus AE, 0. It lies on the x-axis. Center foci lies on the x-axis. Here it lies on the y-axis. That's why we take y values. Okay, plus or minus BE. Okay, now substitute the values here. So if you substitute here, then we get it as 0, plus or minus B value. What is B? B value is 3, E value. E value is 5 by 3. Okay, here you can cancel this 3 and 3. You can cancel this 3 and 3. So that means 0, plus or minus 5. 0, plus or minus 5. This is the foci. This is the foci. After that, what he is asking? Length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum is equals to. So in the previous one we took what we took in the previous one here? Length of lattice rectum. Okay, the formula 2b square by a. Okay, here we take as 2a square by b. 2a square by b. Okay, so that means 2 into a square. A value is 4 square divided by b. B is equals to 3. Okay, that means 4 square 16. 16 2 times is 32 divided by 3. 32 divided by 3. This is the length of lattice rectum. After that, what he is asking? He is asking the equations of directrices. Equations of directrices. Equations of directrices. Okay, so here we take y is equal to plus or minus b divided by e. Y is equal to plus or minus b divided by e. So y is equals to plus or minus b. What is b value here? 3 divided by e. E is 5 by 3. E is 5 by 3. Okay, so that means y is equal to plus or minus. So 3 into this 5 by 3, if you take it to numerator, okay, so it is 3 by 5 becomes 3 by 5. 3 times is 9. So y is equals to plus or minus 9 by 5. Okay, either this is the answer or 5y is equals to plus or minus 9, or you can write this as the answer, or 5y is equals to 5y minus or plus 9 is equal to 0, or plus or minus 9 is equal to 0. You can take any one. You can take any one. So here, what formula we used here? What formula we used in this solution? Okay, here x square by a square, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equals to y is equal to minus 1, is equal to minus 1 is a hyperbola equation. For that hyperbola equation, center of the hyperbola is 0, 0, and eccentricity of the hyperbola is under root of a square plus b square divided by b square, and focus of the hyperbola is 0, plus or minus b, and the length of lattice rectum is 2a square by b is the length of lattice rectum, and equation of directrices is y is equals to plus or minus b by e. Y is equal to plus or minus b by e. These are the formula we used in this solution. Understood? Do you have any doubt, ma?
No, sir.
Any doubt till here?
Sorry.
Okay. Do you have a dream of scoring up to 75 by 75 in intermediate maths of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh? Do you want the pass guarantee intensive classes or videos? Do you want to learn the mathematics from zero to hero level? Then this is the right place for you. Please like, share, subscribe our VEDHA online classes.